really wanted to come in on a little bit more of a serious note to just do a mental check-in with you guys, to let you guys know how I'm doing in the process of me grieving my father's death, and then concerning everything that's going on with the world right now. I'm going to start with talking about my dad first. So as far as my grieving process with that, I don't really know if I am really grieving the right way. I find myself not really dealing with it. Really, like, I don't know, it's just kind of weird. I just always thought if I lost a parent, I would just be like so distraught and like a depression or whatever about it. But I don't know, I think I said this before in my video when I was telling you guys that he passed away, but I am at peace with it. I'm still sad about it, obviously, because I miss him and stuff. So it's just really weird space. It's like, I don't know. I just don't really know how I'm feeling, honestly. Like, I just take it one day at a time. Like, I'm not crying or boo crying every day. I do have my moments where I do cry, but you know, I don't know. It's just not how I would expect for me to feel or be acting or whatever. So I am looking to get grief counseling just to make sure that I'm dealing and processing, you know, what has happened. Make sure I'm dealing with it. Like, I don't want to deal with it, but I do need to deal with it to be able to grieve in a healthy way, because I honestly don't know if I'm really truly dealing with it. And I just need to talk to a professional to make sure that I am, you know. So that's really important for me to do that. I think a lot of me really still holding it together is because, you know, we do have a daughter and stuff, so I can't really just mentally check out because, you know, I have to be present for her. And then, like I stated before, you know, I'm a mother figure to his two sons, so you know, I can't really just check out, you know. So, you know, I think that has a lot to do with how I'm dealing with this, and just the relationship that we had, that we were really close and stuff, that it's like I have a lot of memories. It's not like we were estranged or we had an argument and we never got to make up before he died or something like that. It's nothing like that. So I think that has helped with that as well. Yeah, so that's just kind of where I'm at as far as the grieving process. I know it's just only been, well, has it been 2 months? Oh dang, it's coming up on, today is actually 2 months. The 8th, April 8th. I don't know when this video is gonna come up, but today's April 8th that I'm filming this. So yeah, it's 2 full months since he passed. So, you know, I don't know, it's just weird. It's still kind of hard to believe that he's not here, that I can't call him and be like asking for advice or anything like that. So, you know, I don't know. But on to what's going on in the world. I don't really want to say the name because I don't want nothing to happen to my video, because I heard that, you know, people talking about this situation, that people's channels are getting demonetized, videos been taken out, so like that. Even though my channel isn't monetized as of right now, I still don't want anything to hurt my chances of it getting monetized in the future. So I'm just gonna put it up on the screen, but y'all know what I'm talking about. But as far as that goes, that kind of ties into my feelings about my dad and passing. Everything going on, I do take it seriously with what's happening, but for me, it's like I'm dealing with something that's greater than that. So for me, I'm not as on edge like everybody else is, per se. I do take it seriously. We are taking the precautions, especially when we have to leave the house, because he is an essential worker. So he works in the grocery retail industry. So, yeah, he takes the precautions when he comes home from work. And then, like I said, when I go out and I have to go shopping or something like that, I do the same thing as well. But because he is an essential worker, he's still working, we're still able to maintain. So for that, I'm very thankful for that, you know, that we're very blessed in the sense that we still are financially okay. You know, I'm actually not working at all right now because I am not an essential worker. My job, I worked in different retail stores as a merchandiser, and the mall is closed. So, you know, I have nowhere to merchandise. So, but we're still able to maintain, like I said, and we're still, you know, doing pretty good about how we were before this crisis happened. So we're very blessed, and even though we can't really go outside or do the things that we would normally do, you know, we're still pretty well off. Like, we still have, you know, cable, internet, things to entertain us at the house. So when I find myself complaining about that, I have to check myself, be like, girl, like, people have it way worse than you. Some people, it's like very extreme case, you know, so I really have to check myself on that and be like, you know, hey, at least we can watch something on TV. You know, at least I can be on YouTube, I can be online. You know, we have food in the refrigerator. We don't have to worry about how the next bill is gonna get paid. Like, we don't have those types of issues like a lot of people in our country are having right now. So my prayers and my heart go out to those who are struggling right now and trying to figure out what they're gonna do. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know where I'm at mentally, and I kind of want to do videos like this on my channel, just seeing, not just sharing how I'm doing, but asking you guys, how are y'all doing? Like, how y'all holding up, like, for real though? Like, how y'all doing? Cause yeah, but I genuinely want to know from my viewers, subscribers, everybody that watches this video. Just leave it down below. Just say how you're doing, how are you getting through, you know, because I genuinely want to know. Like, this is something that is affecting everybody, not just us regular people, celebrities, everybody. So this is like, I don't know how long this is gonna last. This might be our new normal. Like, I'm just, feel free to leave down below in the comments, just telling me how you're doing, how you're getting through this whole stay-at-home order and all of that. I actually have a video coming up shortly after this one on what I've been doing to just maintain during this whole ordeal and all of this stuff, just my daily activities for the most part. So yeah, so don't forget to check out my social media down below, and check out my store, shop.notyouraveragemama.com. This shirt is actually on the site right now. It says "Take It Easy, Tiger." I thought it was really cute. So that is actually on my site right now, so you can head over there and check that out. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.